Have you ever felt bored? Even when you're surrounded by entertainment, notifications, and endless scrolling? You're not alone. In fact, boredom is becoming one of the most common emotional states in the modern world. But here's the twist. It's not your fault. It's your brain and the environment it's stuck in. Your brain is hardwired for novelty. In ancient times, boredom barely existed. Life was unpredictable, sometimes dangerous. You had to hunt, gather, solve problems, and stay alert. Every moment meant survival. But today, you wake up, check your phone, scroll, swipe, click. You're flooded with micro hits of dopamine, again and again. And the more you get, the less you feel. That's the trap. We've created a world that overwhelms the brain with stimulation. But here's the paradox. The more stimulation you get, the more bored you feel. Your brain stops responding to the little things that used to bring joy. Even worse, the platforms you depend on for entertainment are built to train your brain to feel bored, unless you're constantly consuming. Think about it. You scroll through 10 videos in under 60 seconds. Each one flashes by before your brain even has time to think. And when you stop, you feel uncomfortable, even anxious. That's not boredom, that's withdrawal. Studies now show that chronic boredom is directly linked to anxiety, depression, and reduced focus. It's not just a mood, it's a mental health risk. Here's a scary stat. In 2000, the average human attention span was 12 seconds. Today, 8 seconds. That's less than a goldfish. We're losing our ability to focus, to sit still, to think deeply. Why? Because our ancient brain is being hijacked by modern technology. It's like trying to run 21st century software on a Stone Age machine. Your brain wasn't designed for infinite scrolling, endless choices, and instant gratification. So what's the solution? It sounds crazy. But the way out of boredom is to allow yourself to be bored. Sit in silence. Go for a walk without music. Read a book slowly. Let your brain rest, because in those quiet moments, something magical happens. Your brain starts to recover. You begin to notice small details. You feel curiosity again. You rediscover the joy in simple things. Boredom isn't bad, it's a signal. It's your brain telling you, I need more than noise. I need meaning. Scientists now believe that extreme boredom may lead to extreme behavior. Just to feel something. A bored society is a restless society, and that's dangerous. But you can break the loop. You can reclaim your attention. All it takes is one choice: to stop running from boredom and start listening to it. And if you found this interesting, wait till you see what scientists are doing next. They've created a human without parents. No egg, no sperm, no joke. It's real science, and it changes everything we know about life. The link to that mind-blowing video is in the description below. Subscribe to Think Verse, where science meets wonder.